Or stone. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
The hill climb doesn't look that steep.
Yeah.
That wasn't where you did it.
Yeah, no. Did I do a wheel up it today?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, today was the day that you did do a wheelie up it.
No, I did one yesterday too. But that was an accident though.
Yeah, you kind of did a wheelie up it. Dude, we modded the shit out of that hill.
It's like right where I pulled my torch and I started shifting down.
Right here's where I sprayed.
Yeah, I should have missed. I told you that. I yelled back. I yelled to you. You missed.
I always get my helmet on that shit.
I know. This is where I went past.
This is where I really. This is where I drifted up here. Wow.
Jump thing.
It doesn't even jump.
It hurts so bad.
Does it jump on your bike?
No, because
you were standing up and it slammed in.
Yeah. I hit my butt on it. It hurt so bad. I slammed my butt on my seat.
Oh yeah, when I went down on your bike, the trail or the park ranger or the trail ranger was driving his truck down.
What do you say?
He didn't say anything.
Oh, okay. Oh, when you went down the street, to the bottom of the street.
When I was right here, he didn't say anything. He didn't stop. He just kept going.
Oh, okay. You still called up to me. I don't know how.
Cause it's fast. All right, you've been going for like how much? Like 3 minutes or something now. Watch, I catch you. And I was trying to do this here. Now I catch you. Hey, Garrett. You just put around the corner.
I stopped opening up so far because when my tires started to get flat, my bike started to drift around by accidentally. Just it lose grip and just start sliding because the sides of the tire wouldn't catch grip.
Yeah.
Hey, that's Anthony's dad.
And then I catch you.
Yeah, I know. You're a douchebag. There's Dad.
How long were you gone for?
Like 2 minutes at least, and you still called up to me.
That was me wide open in 6th year.
I was open in 5th, but